In today's video, I will walk you through how to enter expenses without a connected bank in QuickBooks Online. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once you're logged into your account, go to QuickBooks Online dashboard and click the Create button at the top left. From the Create menu, select Expense. This opens the expense form where you can enter the details of the purchase. Begin by selecting the Payee. Choose the vendor, supplier, or person who was paid. Next, select the payment account. Choose the account the money actually came from, such as a checking account, cash on hand account, or credit card. Update the payment date to match the day the funds left the account. Then choose the payment method, such as credit card, check, or cash. If you have a check number or receipt number, enter it in the reference field. Next, add the category and details of the expense, along with the amount. Select the appropriate expense account from the chart of accounts, such as office supplies, meals, or utilities. If the purchase covered different types of expenses, you can split it into multiple lines. Enter the appropriate category and amount for each line. Add a clear description so the purpose of the expense can be identified later. If you track customers, locations, or classes, assign those details as needed. Include tax if applicable, and check that the total matches your receipt. You can also add any other necessary details, such as a memo for additional context or an attachment of the receipt. Review the information you entered, including the payee, payment account, date, payment method, categories, amounts, and total. When everything looks correct, click Save at the bottom right. QuickBooks will record the expense and update the selected account balance accordingly. That's all you need to do to manually enter an expense without a connected bank. Your expense is now recorded in QuickBooks Online. You can use the same process for other expenses that need to be entered manually. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.